Simple Cooking, Simple Cooking Channel.
Get your blender and add 1 banana, 1 cup of either vanilla or Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of whipping cream, which is about 30 mils. Then get a shot of espresso or strong black coffee, and then chill it, and then pour that straight in. Now just blend on high for 30 seconds or so, or if you've got this blend deck, press 2. Then add a little bit of chocolate cocoa over the top.